Hello everybody, welcome to OneSignal's onboarding videos. In this video series, we'll be going over how to create and personalize in-app messages. Let's get started by clicking into the application that we want the in-app message sent from. Here we have our dashboard. From the dashboard, you can see some useful information like number of subscribed users, monthly active users, and total users. To create the in-app message, we'll have to go to the Messages tab. From Messages, we'll be clicking New In-App. This brings us to the in-app message creation page. First thing you have to do when creating a new in-app message is determine your audience. You can have your in-app message sent to all of your subscribers, or you could have it shown to a particular segment of your audience. For this example, we'll be sending an in-app message for a coffee shop. So we'll be choosing a segment called People That Like Coffee. Then we're going to be excluding the segment Tea Drinkers. This is so that we don't send this in-app message to someone that doesn't want to see it.